Hello everyone, welcome to FinTalks. Investing is an art, and you can learn this art of investing through patience and discipline. In this video, I am going to discuss about 3 rules of investing that will help you to double your money. The first rule is rule of 72. This rule of 72 will help you to know in how many years the amount you invested in bank fixed deposits will be double. The formula is 72 divided by compound rate of interest. Compound rate of interest means interest on principal plus interest. For example, a bank is offering a compound interest rate of 6% on fixed deposits. So in how many years the amount you invested in this bank fixed deposits will double is equal to 72 divided by 6, that equal to 12 years. In 12 years your amount will be double. Another bank is offering 8% compound interest rate. Then the formula is 72 divided by 8, that equal to 9 years. In 9 years the amount you invested will double. If you know exactly how many years it will take to double your money, you can plan your long-term financial plan, retirement plan easily. Another rule is rule of 70. This rule of 70 is helpful to know in how many years the amount you invested in mutual funds will double. The formula is 70 divided by growth rate of mutual funds. Growth rate. For example, a mutual fund is having a growth rate of 7%. So formula is 70 divided by 7, that equal to 10 years. In 10 years, the amount you invested in that mutual funds will double. Another mutual fund is offering 10%, having 10% growth rate. So in how many years it will double is equal to 70 divided by 10, that equal to 7 years. In 7 years, the amount you invest in that mutual funds will double. This rule of 70 is also helpful to know in how many years the amount you invested in portfolio will be double. Portfolio means group of securities, combination of securities. The formula is 70 divided by annual rate of return. For example, a portfolio is offering having a annual rate of return is 10%. So according to formula 70 divided by 10, that equal to 7 years. In 7 years, the amount you invest in that portfolio will double. The third rule is 4% withdrawal rule. According to this rule, you have to withdraw only 4% of your savings amount at the time of retirement. You have to withdraw only 4% every year. For example, you have 10 lakhs in your savings amount at the time of retirement. Withdraw only 4%, that is 40,000 every year. If you withdraw only 4%, the remaining amount will be adjusted with the inflation. Inflation means increase in cost of living. If you withdraw only 4% every year, the remaining amount will be adjusted with the inflation for the next 30 years so that it will not affect your money value. These are the 3 golden rules of investing you can implement at the time of your investment decisions. If this information is useful for you, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.